I've had a few people writing in telling me that they're really struggling to get their Todoist and Evernote actions working. In this week's episode, I'm going to show you one very simple tip that will get you using your Evernote and your Todoist action scripts perfectly. Hello and welcome to episode 3 of my Working with Drafts series. And in this series, or in this episode, I'm going to show you how to get the best actions for Todoist and Evernote. Simply because I've had so many people telling me that they're really struggling to get the built-in one working exactly how they want it. So I'm going to set this up for you and show you how to do that. Now, I'm not actually in my regular studio today, hence the sound quality issue isn't very good and the lighting isn't very good. So I'm going to go straight into drafts now and show you how to get the best Evernote and Todoist action scripts for your drafts. So if you get anything of value from this episode, I would really appreciate if you'd hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would consider it to be a great honour if you would subscribe. Okay, so what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to go into settings. Now to get into settings, if you hit the arrow key at the bottom there, you'll see down in that bottom right hand corner the gear icon. Tap on that and that's going to bring up this settings menu. And what we need to do is we need to look for the documentation. So I'm going to go down documentation and support, so I hit that and it's going to take you to the drafts website. Now there is a beautiful area in the drafts website which is called action directory. If you tap on that, that's going to take you to the action directory. Now what we're looking for is Agile Tortoise actions. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start off with Todoist. I'm going to go into Todoist. I'm going to tap on Todoist and hit return. And that's going to bring up the Todoist. So tasks in Todoist posted by unknown, we don't want that one. What we're looking for, tasking Todoist with options. So let's tap that. And that's going to give us create a task in Todoist, first prompting for options like project and labels. So we're going to hit that and we're going to hit install and it's going to ask open. And what it's going to do is it's going to ask you where you want to save it. Well, I'm going to put this into basic for now, because we're going to go back and get some more. So I'm going to hit my Safari and go back, and we're going to go back again. And the other one that I'm looking for is task in Todoist, which is down here. Again, what you're looking for is the green arrow or the green tick sign posted by Agile Tortoise. That's the one that I want. So I want to click that and I'm going to install and I'm going to open. And that's going to install that. Again, I'm going to put that into my basic keyboard. You can move these around later if you wish. Now, while we're in here, let's go back and we'll get the Evernote one. So I'm going to go into, whoops, I'm going to clear that one. Clear, and then we're going to go Evernote. And again, what I want is I want the Evernote one that's been created by Agile Tortoise. So, down here you can see save to Evernote. It's got the orange and the green tick. I don't know what the orange one means, but posted by Agile Tortoise. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to install that one and open. And I'm going to put that also into my basic. Okay, so now we're done. Let's go into my basics. So we go into basic, which is here. And down at the bottom, these will always come in at the bottom, so we've got these down here. So we've got task in Todoist with options, task into Todoist, and save to Evernote. So just to show you that these work, so I'm going to do this is a test, test like that, and we're going to hit my action script, go down to the bottom there, say task in Todoist with options. This one's an interesting one because this is going to bring up a number of options. So here I can add comments and I can actually add in things in here. Now, this is not my regular Todoist account. This is set up for my one of my demo accounts. I've got many, but you get these options here and I can add in a date. I can do whatever I want in here. So I can create the task and that's going to go boom and it's gone. Now, one of the things that people have been asking, you see it comes up task center Todoist. Let's do another one. This is another task. I'm going to hit the share and I'm just send this task to Todoist. Boom, and it's gone. So you don't have any setting up to do when you use these action scripts. So now we're going to send this one to, this is new, and I'm an English teacher, oh dear, a new note. So there we go, this is a new note, and I'm going to hit that, and we're going to save that one to Evernote. Now the thing is here is I haven't authorized my Evernote account, so I'm going to hit continue. It's going to ask me to authorize, and it's going to send me a passcode, which I'm not going to do, but you're going to get this authorization for use with Evernote. So this is the one that you want to use, and you can sign in to authorize drafts 5, blah, 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 blah. I'm going to cancel that, but that's what's going to happen. It didn't go because it's given me the warning. Now, something else you'll notice is one of the things that you want to be able to do is you need to go in and check these. So the problem that some people have been saying they're having is that it doesn't disappear once I've sent it. What you have to do is go into your edit. So you're going to edit the task. So we're taking this original task into Todoist, and down at the bottom here, after success, so we're looking at the area down here where it says default, nothing, archive, trash, ask. If you make, what you need to do is you need to make sure that it's set as trash. So I can set it as archive, nothing, default. Set it as trash. I can do the same for my Evernote here. I can see down at the bottom I've already set it up for trash, so it would disappear into trash. And the same one as I've been showing you before, like with the share sheet here, it's got default. I'm going to change that to trash because I don't want them hanging around, so they're just going to disappear. And essentially that's all I wanted to show you today. So what you need to do is to go into the settings, which is the gear icon at the bottom. So normally comes up with your keyboard like this. If you tap that arrow, down arrow key on the right hand side, you can get into your settings from there. Go down to the documentation and support, which will take you to the drafts website. And then from the top here, you can see the action directory in green. Tap on that and you can go and search for anything you want. So for example, I use Ulysses as my writing. So I can tap on that and it will find all the actions for Ulysses. Again, what I like to look for is Agile Tortoise because that's the company that makes drafts. So I can tap on that. It will ask me to install. So I can test install, open in drafts, and it will install. But it will ask me where do I want to send it. So I can send it to my basic keyboard. And if you remember from last week, so I can now do this. And I can go down to the bottom and sheet in Ulysses. Just wants to open Ulysses, open, and it will create a new sheet in Ulysses. Now, to be fair, Ulysses has never been opened on this laptop, on this iPad, so I'm going to come out of that. But that's the basic way of using it. That should solve all your problems with getting stuff into drafts. Use the Agile Tortoise actions, and you can get them from the action directory. Hopefully that's going to solve many of your problems, and I hope you got some value out of this episode. If you did, don't forget to click on that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It just remains for me now to wish you all a very, very productive week. Thank you for watching this video. Now, if you want to take your productivity to a higher level, then get yourself enrolled in my 2019 edition of Your Digital Life 2.0 online. It is a complete, comprehensive productivity and time management course, and it's a course that will take you to levels of productivity you have only ever dreamt of before. It shows you how to build your very own COD system, collect, organize, and do. It shows you how to create the folder structure, how to build into your goals, into your daily to-do list. It has everything. And not only that, you will get a free copy of Your Digital Life 2.0, the book. You also get a free workbook, and you get access to all the slides that are used in the course. It is incredible value. I want to see you in that course. If you are serious about becoming productivity, then please join me in Your Digital Life 2.0, the 2019 edition. Thank you very much for watching this video.